All right, let's keep this one short and sweet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to export your business cards as a PDF. So the thing you're going to do is actually not export. You're going to go to File and Save As. But before you do that, you need to identify which business cards you're going to want to export. If you're doing a two-sided, then it's going to be a two-page PDF. If you're doing one-sided, it's going to be a one-page PDF. So in this instance, I want to use number 30 and number 31. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Save As, and I'm going to change this format right here to Adobe PDF. Just so that I know that it's different, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do business card final. And for the range, this is where you're going to type in the artboard numbers separated by a comma. And you'll hit save. And you'll hit save again. Now, if you're using Cameo, unfortunately, what you're going to have to do is this. If you decide you want these two cards here, you're going to highlight them. So it grabs everything that's on both of those cards and you're going to copy. You're going to go to File and New, and you're going to make a new document that's that size. Unfortunately, the artboard export or save doesn't seem to be working on Cameo. So if you had depending on if you had a vertical or a horizontal card, this one happened to be vertical. So I'm going to do 2 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. If yours were horizontal, just click the landscape layout. And then I'm going to do 2 artboards because I happen to have 2. I'm going to paste. And now I'm going to line those up so they're set. And then now from here, I don't have to put in the page numbers because I'm going to export this whole thing. So I'm going to do, I keep saying export. Sorry, I'm used to that. That exporting is what you do in Illustrator, in InDesign and Photoshop. But here, I'm going to change this to business card final. And I'm going to change this one to Adobe PDF. And I'm not going to worry about the range because there's only 2 pages in there. I'm going to hit save. I recommend for either one, whether you're using Cameo or you're using the installed one, that you actually open up your PDF and check to make sure that it's exactly the way you want me to see it. And then go ahead and submit that on Canvas.